Every year we have this Ag Mechanics Show. It's an opportunity for high school students and 4-H members to showcase what they have been able to build.
Sure. This is a 16-foot welding trailer I designed and fabricated. The big thing I wanted to focus on this project was lockable storage space. I just want to demonstrate my skills. Everything on here I designed myself.
I built a 620-gallon octagon smoker. What makes it unique is that I wanted to showcase my welds and I wanted to make it stand out as much as possible and have a lot of attention and detail.
I'm most excited for everyone to come out and see what our next generation is doing. These kids are determined and willing to put in the hours and the dedication to build these projects.